Hello friends. Welcome to my channel, Clash Lounge. Today, in this video I will show you how to run Android platform in Windows. But first of all, please subscribe, like, share and comment my channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon for latest updates. So let's start. Open your browser and search for Bluestacks. Or visit the site www.bluestack.com. Then click on the option, Download Bluestacks. Its file size may be greater than 350 megabytes. So friends, I already downloaded Bluestacks. So, I am going to show you how it works in Windows. Bluestacks is an American technology company that produces the Bluestacks app player and other cloud-based cross-platform products. The Bluestacks app player is designed to enable Android applications to run on PCs running Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. The company was founded in 2009 by Jay Vaishnav, Suman Sarif, and Rosen Sharma, former CTO at McAfee and a board member of Cloud.com. App Player is downloadable Windows and Mac software that virtualizes the full Android experience. The software is free to download and use. Minimum requirement for Bluestacks include 2 GB or higher memory, 4 GB space in hard drive, and DirectX 9.0 or higher installed. The user also requires administrator privileges, cannot run on the user's PC if Bitdefender is installed, and the user's computer graphic cards should be updated to the latest versions. That's all in this video. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come again with a new amazing video. Thanks friends.